Kisses. Oh, we gotta focus back. There we go. Whoa. Zoom back out because we having too much fun up in this camera. Cause I know I can treat you better than you. Hey guys, I just filmed a video, so sorry if my eyes are puffy, but I just filmed a video and I'm here with the second video of the day. If you don't know who I am, my name is Alanyah. Here on YouTube it is spelled AHLAWNYAHXO, but in real life IRL it is spelled ALONYA. And that being said, press the subscribe button and become a member of our lovely family. Press the like button and, you know, give a girl a little support. And that being said, today we were doing a hair tutorial. So my hair is already detangled and shampooed. This is the Curls Blueberry Bliss Reparative Leave-In Conditioner. For the consistency, it's very creamy, I guess you could say. Obia Naturals Sweet Almond Heavy Cream. The consistency is like a it's just, I don't know, creamy. And Xtreme, you want to focus? Dang. The Wetline Xtreme Gel. And also in this video, I will be featuring some oils. Her name is Amari and she has these oils called Beauty by Amari. I have the hydration oil and then I also have the anti-breakage oils. I think this is a 8 or 12 ounce, one or the other, and I think this is a, I don't know, I think this is 6, I think this is 12. I don't know, but I'll put it in the description box. These are the oils. Wait for them to focus. Okay, these are the oils. She was really sweet and really kind and understood where I was coming from when I sent her my email. I have been using these oils to see if I like them before I give you guys a review on them. The shade gray or silver. Wetting my hair with some water. Leave-in conditioner. I'm only gonna take about a little bit of this. Smoothing it in. And I have not tried this combo before, so if we get some bad results, then y'all know why. This is the Obia Naturals cream. Just kind of spreading this along the hair shaft and then working the product into my, I have my brush, my dipping brush, starting from the end, the hydration oil just to smooth the top of my hair. Personally, I think her oils smell very good and they do a great job with sealing in the products. A little bit more water. I go heavy-handed on the Wetline. There is a lot of gel on my fingers. Okay, there is a lot of gel on my fingers. A little bit and just kind of smoothing it down on my roots and then sliding it down my hair. Here it is. I'm starting off with a little bit at a time, starting from the ends, smoothing them and working my way up. Shingle my hair and see how that does. So I shingled my hair and then I'm just gonna scrunch. So I'm just going to continue my hair and finish it within its entirety. What's up, you guys? It is the next day. It is 3:11 p.m. the next day and my hair is being wrapped up. It was wrapped up overnight and I'm just taking it down. Start off just by kind of letting it do its own thing and just kind of just shaking my hair down, pulling on different sections just to kind of make it lay from it being in the bonnet. I have never shingled my hair before. Like, because these edges, honey, like, y'all see these? Like, no ma'am. Guys, I am back and I slayed my edges down a little bit, and I think this is so cute. Like, this is adorable. The gray is just excellent. This top part will have more volume once it dries completely. I will be scrunching out all of the gel cast that is right here, and all the gel cast is on the, all of this right here will be gone. As you can see, the parts that are like fluffier, they don't really have a gel cast. I have some super cute chunky pieces in here from the shingling, where I made some sections super thick. We have great definition. Excuse me. We have great definition, honey. Like, it's a vibe. This is cute. Like, but yeah, you guys, with that being said, my name is Alanya and I hope y'all enjoyed the video. If you like, give it a thumbs up and subscribe and become a member of our lovely family. And if you have not done so already, watch my previous video right here. And yeah, I love y'all. Peace out. Gang gang. It's a cool it's a cool world out there. Be safe, be blessed, be humble. And I think all that's left is to say deuce. Period, poo. Ah, it's so funny.